to another delicious episode of Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some coconut curry turkey. So instead of curry chicken, it's curry turkey. So coconut curry turkey. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our veggies chopped. I have some fresh carrots here, and I have some three carrots, 3 potatoes, 3 regular sized carrots, 3 regular sized potatoes. We're gonna cut those up. I'm gonna cut the ends off of the carrots and the potatoes. Alright, so I like, if y'all been watching my channel, y'all know I like to cut my carrots and mostly everything on an angle. Carrots, my sausages, everything. I like them. I like the presentation of it, the look of it. That's just like what I like to do. But y'all can cut them in slices or whatever way. I just like how they look in the pan. So I'm gonna make some curry. I got my potatoes, which I already peeled. Alright, and we're going to cube them up. So you want them cubed this size, guys. This size. In the pan cooking, and what I'm using for the turkey is turkey tenderloins. So we're gonna cut up the tenderloins, and make sure you wash your potatoes really good, guys. Come here, get over here. Just cut down the middle. So we cut up 3 potatoes in no time. Just like so. Nothing to it. Potatoes. Boom. Carrots, potatoes. When we come back, we're gonna go ahead and cut up them turkey. Alright guys, so we got our chicken tenderloins here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut them. I said chicken, I meant turkey tenderloins. And we're gonna go ahead and cut them into cubes. About this big. This big. To bite-sized pieces, guys. And these are turkey tenderloins. It's gonna be so freaking delicious. And this is a weeknight meal. You can cook for your family. You know how you gotta marinate like the chicken for curry. Chicken, all we're gonna do is just season this really quickly and get everything going. And these 4 turkey tenderloins is enough to feed 8 to 10 people, depending on the size of the bowl that you are feeding your people. Yes. Make sure you disinfect your chopping board because this is poultry and we don't need nobody getting sick. It's already a lot in this bowl already. Not to mention, we're gonna add onions, bell peppers, potatoes, carrots, thyme, a bunch of seasoning, curry, chicken broth. Oh my goodness. This is a delicious, healthy dish. Guys, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe right now, so y'all can, and hit that notification bell so y'all be notified every time Shelly come through one of these delicious, amazing, talented, delicious videos, guys. Don't y'all just want to come through the screen and just look at all that turkey? It's a lot. Alright, so now we're going to move to the next step. Alright, so let's season. So I got this curry powder here. Go ahead and put some curry on here. So you want like 2 to 3 tablespoons of curry, because you want that flavor to fly out. I have my onion powder. Garlic powder. Black pepper. Sazon tropical. If you can't find it, just use a pack of Sazon. It's fine. All that in there. My complete seasoning. Now you could just add some salt, but I'm just gonna add some of this garlic pepper. Just a little bit, not a lot. Alright, here, and just mix it around with my hand, coating the turkey. And once it's all mixed up, you just move to the next step. You just want to coat the seasoning all on here. So it is, by the time you finish like sauteing your potatoes, your carrots, the onions, and everything, and you start sauteing up the turkey, is in the set and went through a little bit, enough to marinate this dry rub for a moment. All right. So let's get all of this into a pan, and we're gonna start off by browning off that turkey. And we just spread it out like I just did, and just let it get some color. Alright, so we're going to come back when it's time to move this around. Alright, so we're going to see it. Okay, yeah, so it's got some little color and I can move it. So, oh yeah, look at the color on there. Y'all can see that, but let me see. I'll show y'all. Look at the color. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Just get it in there. Move it around, let it get some color on the other side. Alright, so when we come back, we're going to start adding those veggies. Alright, so now let's start building those flavors. I'm going to come in with my onions and peppers. You know I love this stuff right here. And I got two large cloves of garlic, but you can put 4 small ones in. That's fine. And we're gonna add our carrots and potatoes, our chicken stock. Alright, so we're gonna add some chicken stock. We're gonna add this whole quart. And this is like 4 cups. So if you got some homemade chicken broth, by all means use it. I just got the carton. Alright. So I already put my garlic, my bell peppers and onions, now I'm gonna throw my thyme in. So now I have a whole can of some coconut. So here's where the coconut curry come in. So we're gonna throw this whole can of coconut right in there. Mix it up. And we toasted that curry, and we toasted up the turkey. This is so beautiful, child. I'm trying to tell you. The colors in here. So now let's season, because we need to season at every level, right? I got my sazon, and if you don't have the tropical sazon, by all means use tropical sazon. Use the regular pack of sazon. My complete seasoning. I love this stuff. It's like my everything. Onion powder. Garlic powder. And yes, I know I put some fresh garlic in here and I have garlic on there, but I'm trying to tell you, garlic make the world go round, honey. It makes the world seem bright. Alright, black pepper, just a little bit. Now we're going to throw in some bay leaves. We're going to throw in 2 nice size, wait a minute. Well, 3 nice size bay leaves. Put 1 fell in there and I ain't fishing it up. Alright. And now you can just throw a pinch of salt in here. If you got this comes from the Dollar Tree. I'd love this garlic pepper. And just sprinkle a little. And then I like that stuff with salty. And because we add all this other stuff like the potatoes, the carrots, the onions, the peppers, all that stuff don't have no seasoning on it. We're gonna let all of this sit here and soak. And then when it come up to a boil, guys, you want to reduce your heat down to low and let it slowly cook until everything is tender, meld together. Absolutely amazing. Alright? And in order to get that fast, put a lid on it. Put a lid on it. And then once it comes to a boil, drop it back. Drop it back. Alright. This has been cooking for about 35-40 minutes. Smells so good. You can smell that curry. Oh my goodness, look at the Look at this. The beautiful carrots. Look at all the thyme, the bell peppers, the onion, the bay leaves. Look at this. So now we're just gonna try it with some seasoning. Okay, so let's see. Check tenderness of the carrots. It's nice and done. Tenderness of the potatoes are nice and done. Alright. So now we're just gonna taste the seasoning. Beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay. Honey, child, sister, girl. This is so good. It don't need no seasoning at all. Absolutely delicious. Seasoned to perfection. Is not over salted. It's just perfect. Alright. The turkey is done. Nice and tender. I'm going to turn the pan off. Nice and tender. Absolutely delicious pan of some curry. Curry turkey, guys. Alright. So, as you know, I gave it a try. I tried the turkey. We're going to try the potato and the carrot. Alright. Alright. Look at this. Look at that. Girl. Y'all gotta try this dish, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, my lovely, 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 beautiful people, have a wonderful day. And I'm gonna see ya in the next video. Look at that carrot. Look at that carrot. Oh, look at her.